Lily, you see the baby?
Wanna give the baby a kiss? Give her a kiss?
Aw, that's your sister. That's your sister.
She's gonna get all your toys. And you have to sleep in the basement. Ow.
Lily, Lily, I love you.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
So apparently all our daughters are gonna look the same. See, there's Lily's face, and there's Iris' face, and they both look the same. Except 2 years apart. Lily, can you say bye?
Little fatty,
Bye.
big fatty, big fatty, big fatty. She is not happy with this. Not at all.